Gold and silver are usually traded by institutions with high capital and limited market hours. But on SuperEx Futures, anyone can trade gold and silver 24/7 directly from the app. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Open the SuperEx app and log into your account. First, make sure you have USDT in your futures wallet. Go to Assets, tap Transfer, and move USDT from spot to futures. Gold and silver contracts on SuperEx are USDT-margined, so this step is required. Next, tap Futures at the bottom of the app. You're now in the USDT Futures section. At the top of the screen, tap the trading pair and search for XAUUSDT if you want to trade gold, or XAGUSDT if you want to trade silver. Once the chart loads, choose your margin mode. Isolated margin limits risk to this position only and is safer for beginners. Cross margin shares risk across all positions. Now set your leverage. Lower leverage reduces liquidation risk, so start conservative. Choose your order type. Market orders execute immediately. Limit orders let you set your own price. Enter your position size. If you think the price will go up, tap buy or long. If you think the price will go down, tap sell or short. After entering the trade, go to the Positions tab to monitor your entry price, profit and loss, and liquidation level. You can also add a stop loss or take profit at any time. To exit the trade, tap Close and confirm. Your profit or loss is settled automatically in USDT. That's how you trade gold and silver on SuperEx Futures. Simple, flexible, and available 24/7. Always manage risk, and don't let leverage trade for you.